that woman.
Us. I'm following you.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Every time I look over my shoulder, you're right there.
Excuse me, Mr. Witherspoon, but this happens to be a free country, and I have just as much right to be here as you do.
No. See, you know my name.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. You just called me Mr. Witherspoon.
I did?
Yes, you did.
Oh, God.
And now, who are you and what do you want? Now, look, you see, you've upset my uncle.
Oh. Well, that would be a pretty good trick considering his condition.
Yeah. What?
My card.
And Miss Annabel Glick, a representative of the Universal Doll Co. of Brooklyn.
We were your late uncle's favorite charity.
Now, don't tell me you come all this way looking for a handout.
I have come all this way for the money, Mr. Witherspoon, all $6 million
Oh,
of it.
but you see, I have accepted the terms of my uncle's will. And I am here, you see, carrying out his wishes. So you people have lost.
Oh, no, we haven't. Not by a long shot. You see, there's a loophole.
A loophole? What loophole? Where?
Well, when we at the home received our copy of the will, I noticed how detailed it was. All those social activities, specific times you have to be, specific places, all the things he wants to do and see.
Look, I am doing the best I can.
Perhaps, Mr. Witherspoon. But you make one little mistake. Arrive somewhere 1 minute early or 1 minute late. Put a pink flower in his buttonhole instead of a red one, you make one tiny slip. And according to our lawyers, you'll be in default of the will and that money goes to the dogs.
What?
So you might as well give up.
Give up? Give up? You are joking.
I am not the kind of person who jokes about serious social issues. The home is in desperate need of funds.
And so am I.
No, you don't understand. The home would have to close down.
Fine by me.
Charity begins abroad.
Excuse me.
Look, Mr. Witherspoon, let me give you the big picture. There are dogs in despair who need shelter and care and who don't have a bone to chew. You have pink satin sheets, they spend nights on the streets. It's the dog.